When you're building an application, choosing your backend can shape how quickly you launch and how easily you scale. Open-source backends bring flexibility, community support, and the ability to host your own infrastructure if you choose. Two strong options are Supabase and Appright. Both aim to simplify backend development by offering database services, authentication, storage, APIs, and more. But they approach the problem with different textures and strengths. Snowflake is best known as a cloud data warehouse. It is built to make analytics simple, stable, and scalable without requiring deep infrastructure management. If your organization relies on dashboards, business intelligence, reporting, or recurring data analysis, Snowflake makes those workflows feel smooth. It separates storage from computing power, which means you can scale each independently without complicated configuration. Data engineers and analysts who already know structured query language feel comfortable quickly. The interface is clean, predictable, and does not require extensive tuning to get good performance. Snowflake also handles structured and semi-structured data well, so it works smoothly with logs, tables, and most analytics data sources. Databricks, on the other hand, is designed for teams working with very large and varied data, especially when the goal is discovery, modeling, or building intelligent systems. Databricks brings together data lake architecture and data warehouse style management into what it calls a Lakehouse model. This means you can store structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data in the same environment and still run analytics or machine learning workloads on top. It is a strong choice for data engineering teams, data scientists, and anyone building predictive models or real-time data pipelines. The platform offers collaborative notebooks, built-in workflows, and support for large-scale processing jobs. However, it tends to require more expertise. You are expected to understand pipelines, optimization, and sometimes distributed processing. It is powerful, but it rewards teams who are ready to invest in that depth. So how do you choose between Snowflake and Databricks? If your main priority is clean, reliable analytics for reporting and business decision-making, Snowflake is often the easier and faster platform to use. It shines when your data workloads are structured and you want predictable performance without complexity. If your goal includes advanced data science, large-scale data processing, real-time analytics, or building machine learning pipelines, Databricks is the stronger match. Many companies end up using both for different parts of their workflow. The best platform is the one that aligns with your data maturity, your team's skill set, and the direction your analytics strategy is headed.